The traditional parboiling process involves soaking paddy rice overnight or longer in water at ambient temperature. Ramatu Usman says 2 or more varieties should not be mixed during soaking because each variety requires a different level of temperature. This is followed by parboiling or steaming the steamed rice while the grain expands until the husk lemon and pali start to separate.
If soaking time is too long, part of rice dissolves in water and the seed begins to germinate. Water temperature and length of soaking time affect color, smell, and taste of rice.
Ramatu says heating has a considerable effect on color. According to her, when the steaming temperature is too high, the color becomes deeper and the grain becomes harder and darker. Haja Memuna Zubair says if drying is done too fast, internal stresses develop in the grain and cause breakage during milling. Parboiling and milling are very critical in rice processing, and this is because it is at these 2 points that any mistake made will affect the quality of the edible rice that will come out from the machines. Before the advent of mechanical milling, hand-pounding traditional method of rice milling was in practice. Today, single-pass, single-stage, and single-pass, two-stage mills are common in Edu and Patigi local government areas.
This machine is not the modern type. You cannot remove stones, and regulating it to perform at the desired level requires total concentration.
Ibrahim Bala says the technical errors in parboiling and milling are responsible for the impurities in Nigerian rice. This, he says, has increased Nigeria's preference for foreign rice, and the farmers are bearing the consequences.
We are selling about a bag about 5,000, 6,000. Now a bag has dropped to 3,600 naira and 4,600, and all because of the market has been flooded by this imported rice.
Kwara State Governor Abdul Fattah Ahmed says steps taken by the state government to attract investors in rice processing has started yielding results.
A rice processing mill is already being set up at the junction of Bashita, between Bashita and Sharagi. So it tells you that we are trying to move our rice growing from the current subsistence level to commercial levels.
Experts say if farmers are able to produce edible white rice that is sufficiently milled and free of impurities, they will be better for it. In Lafiaji, Kwara State, Tahiru Haruna, NTA News 24.